Where does the name for Rhosneigr come from? So today I'm on Ynys Môn, Anglesey, and I'm in a place called Rhosneigr. Let's get into the name. The name is made of two parts. Firstly, Rhos from Proto-Celtic Frostos, which means a heath or a moor, and then we have Ynys, which is a person's name. So who was Ynys? Nobody is entirely sure, but there is one possible candidate, mentioned in Hensin Hen as a son of Gwron ap Cinedd Awledig, who died in the 450s. He's named as one of a group of brothers, as well as Meilir and Cynir, who aided their cousin, Cadwallon Lawhir ab Einion Earth, in expelling the Irish from this part of Anglesey in the 500s, who had taken land here, seeing opportunity in the Roman collapse. Quite what he did to have his name associated with this area is forgotten, however. This group of warriors fought two great battles, one at a place called Cerrig y Gwyddil in Môn, where Cadwallon's warband tied the fetterlocks of their horses to their own feet, lest they should waver, in the fight against an Irish king, Sergi Wyddel. This name led them to be called one of the three fettered warbands of Ynys Prydain, the island of Britain. Cadwallon, Ynys, and his brothers slew Sergi at a place called Llam y Gwyddil, the Irishman's Leap, also in Môn. Since the location of these places is still under discussion, it's possible that they could refer to somewhere near Rhosneigr, but I can't say for certain. There are problems with this theory of who Ynys was, however. His father, Gwron, isn't mentioned in most of the lists of Cinedda's sons, possibly because he was too young to take part in Cinedda's main conquests. It's also been suggested that his name was an epithet, meaning hero, and was a name for Ysfail ap Cinedda, who gave his name to Maes Ysfaelion, the field of the people of Ysfail, somewhere near Llanfaes. Supposedly near it was another area named for his son Meilir, called Maes Meilirion. The exact locations are now lost, possibly due to the movement of people following the conquest. The village of Rhosneigr started off, like many villages on the coast of Ynys Môn, probably as a fishing and farming settlement, with maps from the 1800s showing a dispersed village. This changed, like many places, when the railway came through, which brought tourists to the village. Even today it's famous as a tourist location, with many of the homes in the village being Airbnbs, holiday lets and second homes. Further change came when the nearby airbase, RAF Valley, was opened. Now it's most famous for its beaches and beautiful surroundings. So the name literally means Ynys Heath or Ynys Moor. Anyway, diolch, thank you. Give us a like, give us a share and give us a subscribe, and if you want to support me on my quest to explain every place name in Wales, and a couple outside of it as well sometimes, you can on my Patreon. The link's in my bio. Diolch, have a good one.